All right, folks. I ordered very special, very interesting, very pretty, very everything intake manifold from this company called CNC Innovations. The company looked quite reputable. It looks like they are making parts for many different vehicles. So I decided to go with it because of a very important part of this part, which is it gives you the option to mill out port injector holes to where you can make a fuel rail and run either both direct and port injection, or just port and just skip direct injection altogether. Anyway, so this is the part you'll see in the video. I'll describe exactly what the issue is, what I need to do to fix it. I'm pretty disappointed, to be honest. All right, so I'm finally in here getting this new intake to fit. I realized some issues. As you can see, the mount, I guess you could call it, for the hood latch or the hood stick is in the way, and also the metal from the front frame is in the way. So I'm doing my best to move it. Please ignore. I'm doing my best to move it, but also doing my best not to move the latch too much, if any at all, so I don't have any trouble closing the hood. But unfortunately, with everything that I'm doing, unplugging all the connectors on the injectors, on everything, I removed the block off plate for the EGR delete kit, and I just cannot get it to fit. The components of the intake manifold are pretty nice. They weren't finished the best that I thought they could have been, but there you go, you can take a look at it. The outside, there's a lot of milling marks, as if it was like on a speed mill, but hey. This part here is where you can put your port injection injectors if you CNC it out. You can see here that the gaskets or the seals don't have the OEM tab that the OEM seals have, and that's unfortunate because now I will have to make gaskets, or I will have to cut in that notch for the OEM gaskets. So I'm trying to fit part by part, and I noticed that this isn't sitting flush with the head, and this is what I find. As you can see, the fuel rail is actually coming in contact with the flange for the intake manifold. So you made it this far. This is the end, and hopefully not for long, because I've reached out to the company and I'm seeing what options we have as, I guess, fixing whatever it is that they decided to make. I hope I didn't waste a pretty penny for a company that made no effort in research. Honestly, that's all this company needed, was some research. This is can't fit with the Honda Fit and an intake that don't fit. And I'll see you in the next one.